forward to working with you.
Thank you very much.
No worries. So over here we've got a multicolored C-set ring. We've got a pair of matching earrings in there as well. We're going to capture a 360 video of it using GemLightbox. Hey guys, so I'm with Yakup, digital marketer here at Briolette Jewelry. Yakup specializes in digital marketing and helping photograph jewelry for his website. So Yakup, what do you like about the GemLightbox?
I'm interested in jewelry photography and retouching for the last 6 years. And this box actually brought a good solution to the jewelry photography industry. Because you know, you need to make lots of adjustments while you are shooting with your DSLR camera. You need to think on aperture right, ISO adjustment, and you need to make control on light. It's a very big problem, but this box I think is a very good solution to take the lights under control, as well as the close everywhere. It's very important. So I think you don't need any DSLR or tripods, etc., big light boxes. It's a very good solution, I think. Yeah.
I look forward to working with you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.